Welcome to 410 Market Street in North Inglewood. Today, we are looking at Unit 24. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom that was recently remodeled and we just listed at $499. Let me show you inside because it has views as far as the eye can see. North Inglewood has undergone incredible changes over the past few years. From SoFi Stadium to everything that is happening, you are a short distance from the best that the city of Inglewood has to offer. Let's take a look inside the unit. This is an upper unit and it has no common walls. What did I tell you? It feels more like a house than it does an apartment. And look at these views. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and brand new bathrooms. Enjoy the convenience of your own private parking spot and low HOA fees and in-unit washer and dryer. This is the bathroom with a step-in shower. And then we have a very large bedroom. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Ensuite bathroom. Thank you for joining me for this private tour. And if you're interested in seeing the property, go ahead and reach out to us. I will see you in the next open house. Bye. Thank you for watching. To schedule a tour, you can scan the QR code on the screen or visit requestla.com. You can also call or text my office at 310-776-5145. I look forward to hearing from you.